Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You've loaded the clip and enabled Warp so Ableton treats audio as an editable object. First, confirm the clip's sample rate and tempo match your project so transients align. Next, set start and end markers to isolate the region you want reversed. Make sure extra length is included if tails matter. Once done, consolidate the selection to create a single clip with stable timing, which prevents warping artifacts during reversal and keeps automation predictable for the next steps. With the clip selected, open Clip View and click the Reverse control. Ableton flips the sample playback instantly. Since warping can introduce stretching artifacts, listen critically. If you hear glitches, try freezing the track and flattening to commit the reversed audio as a new file. Make sure to recheck transient markers and smoothing. Move or remove transient markers that cause clicks, and adjust clip gain to maintain consistent perceived volume. This ensures the reversed clip sits cleanly in your arrangement. Once reversed and flattened, polish the clip by adding short fades or crossfades at edges to eliminate any clicks. Then, apply corrective EQ to tame any unwanted frequency buildup and add reverb or reverse-specific effects to taste. Automate wet/dry to avoid clouding the mix. If timing or artifacts remain, render the reverse section to a new audio file and re-import it at the project tempo so warping won't reprocess it. This is the most reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.